Alright guys, this is AJ, just showing you projects I just got finished with today. No airbrushing, no special markers, nothing like that, just weathering with what I got, and that is acrylic paint and some Prismacolored pencils. So, first things first is this Erie Lackawanna covered hopper. Got it new and just did basic brushing, and I think it came out pretty good. You got some old graffiti down there, darker spots, lighter spots, some new graffiti. I got the top all done. Turn it around here. Really happy with how that came out, especially for just being pencil. Got the spot where they would clean it to see some runs. That run came out cool, and that actually happened on accident. So yeah, I think it turned out really good, especially for my first attempt. And on to this covered hopper, which I got off of eBay. It was already weathered and had that done. I just added Ghost and 505 Boys. Seen that around here, Chillicothe somewhere. And then I covered this side in graffiti. Got the FAA, don't know what it is. NOAA, saw that on a couple cars the other day. GH and 740. 740 is Ohio. It's Chillicothe, Ohio area code. So yeah, for some Sharpies and Prismacolors, I don't think it turned out too bad at all. I'll post before and after pictures also. So. If you guys want to leave me feedback or I don't know, suggestions, something, anything that can help me, or just want to say hi, and go for it in the comments, send us a message, whatever you want to do. Thanks guys, take care.